All right, welcome back to another Revopoint video. I'm Travis.
My name is Ash. Oh man, it's been a while we've been sit together in the stage, in the video.
I've missed you, Ash. It feels right to be together again, honestly.
Right, it's just been me or you in the stage, the other one of us just serving the other one behind the stage.
And that's a scary world.
Yeah, well, and guys, we have finished the MetroX Kickstarter campaign yesterday. We have over 2,700 of you supported us, and we collected more than $2 million to help us continue developing this machine, awesome machine. So thank you very much. So for today's thank you video, me and Travis, we're gonna scan this. What is this, Travis?
What is that? Yeah, I got stumped on this last time. I'm sure you remember we had some viewers that were criticizing me for not calling it a gear. I think it's a camshaft.
It's a camshaft. Well, this part is gear.
Yeah, you know, that is
Well, only
technically
this
a gear
part.
of some form.
Okay, so what did you do to make a living before?
I mean, yeah, carpentry work. So I didn't work with mechanical things as much.
Yeah, me neither. I was a video game developer. A little bit related to 3D modeling.
A little bit closer than carpentry.
A little bit closer. Yeah. Okay, that's your challenge. I'm not going to tell you how to, so without scanning, spray it because we're using the laser mode, and I don't want any marker dots on the camshaft itself.
Okay.
But of course, we can use these fun little marker blocks.
Okay.
So
my first guess would be we got the turntable here. Just pile these guys up because we have 8 of them, which is cool.
we have 4 in the box, but of course, yes, I
we have
prepared
extra.
8.
So because of that, it definitely would be impossible with just the 4 because it's not tall enough if we just put the 4 like
Well,
this.
let's see.
Connect them all on top of one another and screw them in. And then maybe put a little more, use all the balls connected to the actual bars themselves.
Yeah, I would say that's a fine idea.
It's a little wobbly though, yeah, I don't know.
Hey, I wouldn't say maybe dual axis. This is like what, like almost 5 kilograms, maybe? It's pretty heavy.
It's like a good 15 pounds.
Yeah. So maybe we don't want to use dual axis turntable to hold. Well, it can hold up to 15 pounds, no problem. But this way,
Yeah.
I don't want it to fall into my face.
It's too wobbly.
Yeah. Okay. So, how about this?
Bring the big guy out.
Yep. Let's do the large turntable.
And then we got one of these, our very own customized
Yeah,
pad.
I made that myself, guys. I have a lot of screw holes that can fit the bar with the M6 screw on it. Put some markers on the bottom. So
Don't drop that on your foot though, that's for
yeah,
sure.
That's pretty heavy too. Okay, now I think that's pretty stable now.
For sure. No, that's a good idea.
Okay, so
What do you think for the distance in between these screw holes?
I'd say maybe two screw holes will be enough. If it's too close, it's going to cover the camshaft itself. Too far away, maybe it's out of the field of view of MetroX. So, sounds like a solid plan. Okay.
Yeah, I'm excited to see this because I have never actually scanned something of this size with
Well,
MetroX
technically, you
yet.
don't have to do it in one go. Like, you could do, if you only have 4 these bar markers, you could just scan the half here, maybe, and flip it over, scan the other half.
It's an option.
Merge them together. So, but well, since we want to do a pretty challengeable scanning today, let's do it in the scan it and finish in one go. See how it goes.
Any need for these pyramids at the bottom?
Yeah, why not? Sounds like a solid plan.
Because ultimately with something like this that we're not adding any markers actually to the camshaft itself, the more markers we have on the outside.
Yeah, for sure. And also maybe put some domes on like this, make them flat so we can, scan it from above.
Okay.
Okay, and 1, 2, 3, 4 on the top. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, and we just put them on.
side.
Maybe one here, one here.
Yeah, sometimes it's hard to actually
here.
find the magnet. You're looking at all these dots on there.
Yeah, man. Okay, I'd say okay.
Yeah,
Make
it's
them
definitely not going to wobble.
well,
as long as I
still
don't
a
shake
little
the
bit. If you
table.
don't shake the table, I think we're fine. And also, since it's a laser scan, so I want to maybe we turn the speed down a little bit. Okay, Travis, you're gonna go for.
Try this out.
Okay, so since it's, I think I sense that they have some metallic shiny area here, so I would say it's a good idea to use metallic shiny object type instead of general. I mean, marker is good.
We're at cross lines.
Yeah, crossline high marker.
Metallic shiny
Yep.
object. Exposure.
I don't know, 3 sounds like a solid plan to me.
I guess I'll try. Start in the lower area first.
I'd say that's pretty much gonna cover it. So maybe take the pyramid out a little bit, so that you can scan the bottom better. Okay,
All right, here we go.
here we go. And remember, you must finish it in one go. Okay.
That's the goal.
Oh, oops. Nope, not enough markers. Just do it again. A little bit far away, I would say. You're too close. Does not see enough markers. Here. Okay. Here we go again. Why you're scanning on the left? See?
I'm concentrating. There we go. Now it's starting to
Yeah.
form.
Now we're talking, huh? Oh, did you see the difference of the new software? Now with every markers you have scanned, it won't disappear. It just, look, it'll stay there with a white dot.
Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah. I mean, that's a good reference to let you see.
Where you're at. and
Yeah,
stuff.
yeah, yeah. Or see you have done previously. You know, that's pretty cool. Pretty good.
Not sure if this is really the best way of. I'm just kind of I've got the nice base now, so I'm just kind of working it.
Well, I'd say
Gradually up.
the super strong light ahead of us is definitely affecting the
Not
skin.
helping.
Yeah, but well, if you're patient enough, I think you still can do the job. So let's just keep going without shutting that down. But guys, when you are doing your scan, I mean, we're in the studio, so we're trying to making Travis look good. So I use a lot of light, but that's quite not a good idea to do a real scan in your studio. I mean, your workshop. So definitely keep a good environment, evenly lit, not too dark, not too strong.
Yeah, I need all the help I can get with these extra lights.
Yeah, yeah.
I'm gonna stand up.
Maybe it's a good idea to do a kind of a strong white light when we're doing a color scan. You know.
$4,000. When you previously did it, how many frames did you stop
I
at?
think I stopped at like 9,000 when
Okay.
the whole camshaft is super green. Now I think you still need to work on the yellow and yellowish areas.
And were you pretty much just doing the up and down motion, or did you ever twist it like?
No. I don't think I need to do that for this camshaft. But definitely keep it for a while for those shiny areas. It's gonna be a good idea. And you feel the tracking and the generation of point cloud is definitely improving these days, huh?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we've been testing out a lot of beta versions.
Yeah, it's really doing good because I'm honestly moving it up and down pretty fast, and it's not losing tracking.
Well, also because we put enough marker blocks over there. You know. Oh, guys! By the way, you see these markers especially on the bar. Actually, when you receive that, it won't just look like mine. These markers are not printed. You can add or take off any marker dots if you want by yourself. Okay.
Center there.
Yeah, you're almost there. Maybe a little bit more time on the tip and the bottom. You're good.
A little bit in the middle too. There, it's kind of lighter.
Yeah, quite challenging to let you scan it in one go, right? Or we can just lay it on the ground and scan twice the half and merge them together. That would be a stable scan.
Yeah, it will be nice though, saving us in the editing process. Saving some time. All right, we're 11,000 frames.
Slightly more than what I did. You think that's enough?
I mean, yeah, the top still has a little lighter green.
Mm-hmm.
A little in the middle there. I mean, I'm pretty satisfied.
Okay.
What do you think?
All right, let's fuse it. So you scan in a 0.40 millimeter distance, so let's fuse in the same way, or you want to fuse in the smaller. Well, let's save some time for the audience. What would you say?
0.40.
0.40, yeah. Since it's not too well, beside the gear area, it's not too much detailed.
Mm-hmm.
What is that? Oh, that's the turntable.
The turntable,
Yeah.
man. And then something you can adjust. I noticed you brought that up in a previous video. Just because what I originally set the point distance at while scanning, when editing, you can make it smaller.
You could, definitely. Yeah, it's really more of your own preference. Well, looking good in the first glance.
Oh, something I did not do though. I didn't get under that angle at all.
Yeah, yeah. And some area might not even be connected, I would say.
So
maybe the head.
Sure enough, man.
So be careful when you're doing the isolation this time, you know.
It's gonna want to separate it.
Yep.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, you know what?
You got a better way to do that, don't you?
I have a better idea. Okay.
Select this inverter, right? Select the
no.
camshaft.
No, it's okay. Let's undo what you did. Okay, so how about this? Let's draw a little circle here, and boom.
That's why I need you by my side, Ash. I'm just trying to make the video longer, more content.
Well,
Show them all the functions of the tools on the side.
I would say in general that's an awesome scan. Well, let's fuse it in let's save some time. I mean, you still can do the job. It just takes fourth time that I did. Okay.
I just really enjoy using all the selector tools.
Oh yeah, it's pretty pressure relieving, isn't it? Yeah. Especially when you're seeing the isolation tool and boom, all of the noise, unnecessary parts are gone. Man. I'll rate 6 out of 10 for your scan.
Yeah. I mean, I'm disappointed.
I mean, in general, it's a good scan.
But it's
just
the actual gear portion of it, like there, it's like it's showing up
yeah.
really nice.
Pretty good.
And the fact that again, this is no spray, no markers on the actual camshaft.
Yeah. Well, I would say now, guys, how about I can still save this scan by doing it again, but flipping it over so that all of the areas that Travis did not scan, I can capture it from a good angle, still from top up, top down. So,
and then you'll merge it.
Yeah, and then let's merge the two scans together. And yesterday I saw a pretty funny comment. I don't know the answer. They asked, like, can you merge two scans from laser mode and full field mode together? At first I don't know, and I would like to try myself. And you know what the answer is? You not only can merge the scans from two different modes together, you can even merge two scans from different scanners.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, like Morocco, Pop 3, and MetroX, you can even merge these together. As long as you scan the same thing, of course. Yeah.
And keep the point cloud distance at the same.
Yep.
Well, that'd be a fun experiment.
Okay, metallic shiny object and same 40. Let's say do a good 3. 1, 3. Okay, seems good enough.
You gonna try to do it 9,000 frames?
I don't know. We'll see. And also, you're not wrong. It's just not the quite. I don't know which one is correct, to be honest. Like my more preferred way is I only finish at an area. I do it very good, very green. Then I shift to another area. Yeah, but I see you are like less patient than I am, and you move it around and try to scan all of the space, like over and over.
But I'm new at this laser scanner. I'm like using MetroX as the first laser scanner I've used.
Maybe you're not wrong, because in the laser scanner, moving the scanner a lot won't cause too much trouble, especially like the sacrifice of lacking accuracy and detail. Because it's a laser, and you're doing only in the marker mode, so in theory you shouldn't be.
But this way is less exhausting on your arm for sure.
Oh yeah, definitely. And also it's better for planning because I know where I was doing good and not good.
So ultimately, a scan like, oh, but I guess we couldn't use the tripod because it keeps it.
Oh, well, technically we
It
can.
would make it horizontal. Though.
Horizontal, yeah, because this is a long object. Maybe this is a more efficient way to do.
I feel if I could do it again, I think I'd rather do it the way you're doing right now. Get one spot solid
Yeah.
and then move on.
No, don't shake the table. don't. We need a new table. You always like to sit on this table, and now it's pretty shaky. Oh man.
And we did that one video where we were scanning for the
Oh, you're even lying on this table. Yeah, I
Yeah.
remember now. Yes.
orthopedic.
Yeah. Oh, well, now that explains everything.
Exceeded the weight requirement of the table.
No, but definitely in the manual, I definitely won't recommend for a person to lie here, lie down there. You know. And do you feel now the furnitures, or I'm just buying the wrong type? You know, the furnitures are less durable than before because of the material. What do you
Yeah,
think?
I mean quality is not the best. But we're probably buying the wrong stuff too.
Yeah.
So you're at 5,000 right now. You're like the halfway mark.
So I think I would need. Well, I definitely will need more than 10,000 frames. That's because of the light I'm using. I tried yesterday. I have a good environment, evenly lit environment, and today this is way too strong. Yeah, you're right. It's better to stand now from here. Actually, you don't have to do that. I can press M. See?
Oh, that's cool. And zoom in
Yeah.
right there on the actual scanner itself. I mean,
Just
that's
see
helpful.
clearly. Yeah, let you see very clearly of the, especially the detailed area that you didn't do good. You know.
Does it zoom in even more if you push it again?
No, it just go back to normal. It's like zoom in and cancel the zoom in. That's how it works. Did you get a solid top? I mean, now the bottom in your previous scan?
It was all right.
Like now I think you need to tilt your scanner because laser scan is kind of a more sensitive compared to the infrared or the blue light, because you know, like especially when you're scanning something reflective, the light is bouncing to another direction, so you really want to tilt your scanner more to capture that area, like from the side to the top or from the top to the edge. That's how you do it. Also, guys, I'm seeing one shifted marker dots, and why that is happening is because like right now, Travis is a bit shaking. That caused the tip of one of the bar markers are shaking a bit, so that confuses the scanner. So I would say maybe you could do like this, but maybe not a good idea to continue adding more bar markers to make it even taller, and put it on the spinning quite fast turntable, I don't think that's a good idea because
I mean, put it on the ground, you know, if you don't
Oh,
even
yeah,
have
yeah,
it
yeah.
on a table.
yeah, like without turning, you can stack as long as you want, but maybe not a good idea to put it on a turntable. It's going to be shaky. Yeah, it's not your fault, Travis. It's because of the light. It's definitely
It's
generating
taking longer.
point clouds less than a good environment. Okay, you see anywhere that wasn't good enough?
I feel like since we're going to be merging the two, you know, it seems like it's good enough to have enough new data that it'll be good for the merge.
Mm-hmm. Okay, maybe a little bit more on the bottom. Okay, one more turn on the bottom. Oh, actually, I'm a bit too far away, to be fair. Perhaps. Okay. Done.
Nice.
Mm.
And I also noticed something you did in the other video is well, right now you're fusing it, or you could just have them both. It seemed like in the other video you waited to fuse them both until they were.
No, oh yeah, you're right. You could fuse anytime you want. I mean, anyway, you would just need to fuse two. When you want to merge two scans, you need to fuse them at first. You cannot just fuse two point clouds together. That's not how it works. And when you're merging two or even more, and by the way, someone asked in the comments saying like, oh, how many projects, how many scans can you merge into one? I mean, in the software, you can merge maximum 9 to 1. But in fact, you could merge infinite because you could merge first 9 into 1 and then use that merged one to continue merge with,
Oh my goodness.
you know, so that's how it works.
Infinity merge.
Here. Delete that one. Check the isolation. Okay.
Nice.
Okay, let's check yours and mine. Now let's put them together. I don't think we need manual alignments. That's way.
I would hope not.
Yeah, it's way enough feature to put them together. Okay, very nice.
Sweet.
Sweet. Okay, merge number 1. And when you do merging, you always want to double check the isolation and especially the overlap because you're merging, and maybe I even want to turn this overlap parameter down because you're merging two scans into one. It's definitely overlapping with each other, right? Okay, so now let's go to mesh and see how it goes. Like from the fused camshaft is already, I can already see the quality. It's fine.
But if we really want to do it all in one, man, that could have been around 20,000 then. You know, if I really want to get underneath the right angle instead of flipping it up.
Yeah, definitely. So
It's possible.
that's awesome. Let's see
Yeah, it's
the
good.
gear. Gear is pretty good, huh? Awesome.
Excellent.
Okay, guys. So hope you enjoyed today's video, and thank you again for supporting us on Kickstarter. Now we're just gonna start to ship your MetroX in the near future. Okay, see you next time.
Take
Bye-bye.
care.